Are you tired of sitting down for place value? Then take a stand and let your students move around. Here's what you need. The teacher needs one Sharpie, 12 pieces of construction paper. Each sheet of construction paper is a different color. The first 10 pieces of construction paper have the numbers 0 to 9. And the last 2 pieces of construction paper you have are commas. How do you do it? Assign students the numbers and commas. Teacher calls out a number. Students arrange themselves to show that number. Then the teacher asks the audience if that is the correct number that he or she said. Let's practice. The teacher calls out the number 9,253. The students would then have to arrange themselves showing that number. So the person holding the 9, the students holding both of the commas would choose which one would like to stand up front. Then the person holding the 2 would go next. Then the 5. And then the 3. Any numbers or commas that aren't used, stand to the side of the room. And up in the front, you have your number, 9,253. What I like to do is, after the number is displayed, I call on a student in my audience. So I would say, John, who is holding the digit in the hundreds place? John would say, Bobby. I would then ask John, well, what is the value of Bobby's digit? John would say 200. You can differentiate this activity by stating numbers that ranged from the tens place all the way to the 100 millions place. And you may also include decimals in the number that you say. And that would require more construction paper. 1 piece for a decimal point and more numbers for the decimal part of the number. Students who are more kinesthetic learners will be able to move around. And I also recommend this activity because for those kinesthetic learners who need to move around, they are all students are able to see the number being formed. They get to know their place value, and as you can see here, the students have displayed a number up in front of the room going all the way up to the 100 millions place. Thank you very much, and I hope you use this activity for your classroom for place value.